Meanwhile, investors have been closely monitoring developments in Washington, not only on trade, but also on that impeachment inquiry in the House. And a new survey shows that some Americans are concerned about its impact on the economy. Steve Liesman has more.
The latest CNBC All-America Economic Survey finds Americans by a narrow margin opposing impeachment. But the numbers are shifting, with fewer Americans now against it than they were 2 years ago. In a nationwide poll of 800 Americans, CNBC asked if Congress should hold impeachment hearings to remove President Trump from office. 44% favored the impeachment hearings, 47% opposed them. And that's within the poll's 3.5% margin of error. But that's a much closer margin than when the question was asked in December 2017, when 54% opposed impeachment and 41% favored them. A big chunk of the decline in those opposed to impeachment, though, showed up as a rise in the percentage of Americans who are unsure. It grew to 9% from 5%. Micah Roberts, a partner in public opinion strategies and CNBC's Republican pollster, said the American people are not jumping towards impeachment. They're cautiously moving away from opposing impeachment. Some Americans think impeachment could hurt the economy. 45%, in fact, say it's negative for the stock market. 40% say it's bad for the economy overall. But just 23% answer that it will hurt their personal financial situation. The real bad news for President Trump came in a decline in both his overall and in his economic approval ratings. The president's job approval rating sunk to 37%, the lowest level of his presidency. And it's just 42% for approval on the economy, also the lowest. For the first time, 50% of the public disapprove of his handling of the economy. Of course, President Trump has bounced back from low poll numbers in the past and maintained a steady but low approval rating around 40%. This time, he'll have to make a comeback from the lowest levels yet of his presidency while he faces impeachment proceedings in Congress. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Liesman.